Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Applaud. Applaud means show approval or praise by clapping. For example, the crowd whistled and applauded. The crowd whistled and applauded. Synonyms: clap, cheer, whistle.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. They're shouting and applauding whatever's on. Now, repeat after me. They're shouting and applauding whatever's on. The second exemplar. As the crowd applauds, you can't help rooting for him, too. Now, repeat after me. As the crowd applauds, you can't help rooting for him, too. The third exemplar. I began clapping to the music, and they started clapping and applauding. Now, repeat after me. I began clapping to the music, and they started clapping and applauding.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.